Hello, it's time for another sign of the week. This week we've got 3 signs all about cooking. Now we can cook in different ways, so that's why we've actually got 3 signs that mean cook. So our first one is if you were cooking on a hob, for example, like stirring something in a pan. So we hold one hand like we're holding the pan, other hand just a sort of fist shape on top, and we say to cook, like you're stirring something in the pan. To cook. You might cook some soup. To cook. Another way we cook sometimes is in the oven. So if we were going to say to cook, but we're cooking it in an oven, we have to draw the oven first and then put a tray in. To cook. To cook. We draw the oven by making a line across the top and lines down the side, and then we put the tray in. To cook. Can you try it? To cook. Then the other one that we've got is to cook where you're maybe not using an oven or a pan. You hold a bowl under your arm and you give it a good stir. To cook. This one's often used for baking as well, because we usually have to stir things when we bake. To bake. Or to cook. Can you try these at home?